Hi, my name is Princess Ariola Adebute, and I'm a multi-award-winning artist from Manchester. I use poetry, music, and films to explore art, and I love it. I'm also a musician, and I mix spoken word with rap, jazz, and pop to create some really fun and unique sounds. Yayoi Kusama is a Japanese artist. She makes all kinds of art: colourful paintings and sculptures, dazzling room environments, and playful inflatable artworks. Kusama also writes poetry and books. Like her art, her poetry is often about her investigations into life. As a child, Kusama took comfort from being amongst nature and making art. Though her family disapproved, she persevered, and being able to express herself through her art has helped Kusama overcome many difficulties. Her radical ideas meant she was often sidelined and ahead of her time. Kusama's work excites me due to her attention to detail and her love for nature. She creates work that is both powerful and vulnerable. It's colourful and creative and full of joy. Okay, now we are going to do an activity. In small groups, take it in turns to speak and share about who you are and what you enjoy doing. Each person will speak continuously for 2 minutes without stopping. Whilst each person is talking, the others are writing down words that stand out to them. If it doesn't make sense, don't worry. Just keep writing without taking your pen off the paper. This is called a free write, a technique poets and artists use to generate ideas and create content. During this activity, we must not worry about punctuation or grammar and instead let the pen flow across the page. Once everyone has finished, swap your sheets around. Select words that represent you and cut them out. Glue these words into a separate sheet of paper and create a collage poem. Feel free to add in some connection words if you like. Stand facing each other. Take in turns reading out your poem. As soon as the students stop, the other student starts, creating a continuous poem like a river of language. When one student is halfway through theirs, the next person starts, creating a never-ending poem.